All right, let's kickstart this edition with some news just coming in at this point in time. Now, after Vocaligas here bats for DKS as the Karnataka CM, Ahinda activists stand by the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Ahinda State President says will protest change in CM. Stand by Siddaramaiah. He must finish his term. Vocaligas here indicates Siddaramaiah should let DKS have CM power.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಸಾಹೇಬರ ಜೊತೆ ಹಿಂದ ಗೊಂದಲ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಎರಡು ದಿನ ಪೂರ್ವಿ ಈ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳವರು ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರು. ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಒಂದು ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಥರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಡಬಾರದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅವರು. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದವರೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದೊಂದು ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬಲ್ಲೆ. ಒಂದು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಏನು ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕ್ನ ಆ ಥರ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ.
All right, getting in more details on the manner in which different sects and communities are in fact lobbying in the state of Karnataka as to who the CM should be. A section saying that DKS should be given that opportunity. Another section, the Ahinda section, indicating that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah must continue and must be allowed to in fact continue and finish his term as the Chief Minister of the state. Will protest if there is a change in the Chief Minister. Ahinda activists stand by the CM of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah. This after Vocaligas here batting for DK Shivkumar as the next Chief Minister of Karnataka, saying that DK Shivkumar should be getting this opportunity now. Well, after the Vocaligas here batted for DKS as the CM, saying that Siddaramaiah should in fact now step down, Ahinda activists are in fact indicating that they want Siddaramaiah to continue and to finish his term. We will protest if any change happens, says the president of the Ahinda group. Listening to what the Vocaligas here had to say, batting for DKS as the CM.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅನುಭವ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನೀವು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Going straight to Anaga for more details on that. Anaga, give us a sense of how the leadership is looking at this, given that now demands are growing essentially. From one section for Siddaramaiah to continue, as we heard, from the second for DKS to take over.
Well, clearly, from Sneha, from the leadership point of view, the Deputy Chief Minister, DK Shivkumar, isn't quite happy with the growing calls for more Deputy CMs. He says that there should be only one DCM and that's me. Because essentially at this point, Sneha, there are two power centers. One, the CM, and the other is DCM. So if there are more Deputy Chief Ministers made, then that could mean that the DCM position and his power might get diluted a bit. But there is simultaneously another call, being made for change in Chief Minister as well. While incumbently there is Siddaramaiah, who is the sitting Chief Minister, the DK Shivkumar's faction, predominantly the Vocaligas and MLAs and MPs who associate with DK Shivkumar, they have been now calling for, they are saying that that it's DK's turn to now become the Chief Minister. But, when it comes to Siddaramaiah's faction, the Ahinda faction, because Siddaramaiah identifies as an Ahinda leader, the leader who always voices out for minorities, for backward classes. So, this particular community, the Ahinda community, is now saying that if there is ever a change of guard, if Siddaramaiah is removed from this position, then we will not keep quiet. We will launch a statewide stir. we are not going to keep quiet. In fact, they even went a step ahead to say that if that happens, Congress party will cease to exist, was the kind of threat that was meted out by the Ahinda community. So at this point, there's a very tight fight, internal fight that too going on between, if there will ever be a change in CM or if there are going to be more number of deputy chief ministers. So clearly the thirst for power is high in Congress in Karnataka.
Right, I'm going to thank you, Anaga, for getting us those details as far as the power play in the state of Karnataka here is concerned.